Supposing you're doing your office work on your PC and you are gonna make it and send it to your boss as soon as possible. But unfortunately, your PC gets blue screen error or it just goes black screen. What would you do if you restart your computer with nothing different? No worries. Today, I am gonna show you a smart yet time-saving way to recover your data from your crashed system. Without further ado, let's get started right now. Before we get started, you need to be prepared for this. A PC that can boot up properly. A USB flash drive of more than 1.5 GB, and importantly 4dig data recovery software. Now Google 4dig to download and install 10 or share 4dig data recovery program on your PC that works. As you can see that this professional software can recover your computer under different scenarios. With 1000 plus data types supported. Just click free download to install it. And you can find its download link from the video description as well. Now launch 10 or share 4dig and get your external USB connected to your PC. 4dig enables you to recover from your hard drives and external devices as well as common portion. In our case, let's select recover from crashed computer and then click start to proceed. Here we choose write USB drive as bootable drive and then click on next. You should be noted that this operation will get your USB flash drive formatted. So just keep your valuable data on it backed up. Okay, then please make sure your computer network connected and do not make any operation while downloading the firmware and wait until it is completed. Now, you have successfully created a bootable drive with your external USB drive. Let's turn to your crashed computer. Insert the USB flash drive into the crashed computer, then restart your device. Afterwards, you would see the computer brand logo on the screen. Press the corresponding key until you get into your device's BIOS settings. By the way, if you have no idea how to get into BIOS setting, find the link from the video description below. Switch to the boot tab using the arrow keys and select boot device. After that, your crashed system will start loading files, and please wait patiently for the configuration. Now 4dig will be launched automatically. You can now select a location to start recovering data. Previously, you were doing your office work a couple of minutes ago and keep the files stored on desktop. In our case, let's select desktop to scan your data. After the scanning, choose your desired file and then recover it to your external drive so that you can continue to edit it with the new computer and submit it to your boss timely. If you have any question or thought, just leave your comments below. I'll see you next time.